Hello, I'm Rohit Seksaria and I manage the Sundaram Services Fund. Sundaram Services Fund was first of its kind of offering in the mutual fund space. It's designed to capture the growth in the services part of the economy. Services is the fastest growing portion of the Indian economy, and the companies we select here are high growth, high quality, high ROCE companies. Services encompasses all parts of the economy. Services touches different parts of human life, right from technology and e-commerce to supply chain, healthcare and finance. So it covers a wide variety of the economy. And not only that, services is 55% of our GDP, but still there's a long leeway for growth, as in developed economies, services is 65 to 70% of the GDP. Since inception, the fund has more than tripled the investment over the last 7 years. This strong performance is a result of the strong secular theme and our superior research process. I would attribute this performance to two things: the strong thematic itself and our strong research. Services is a secular high growth thematic. Services companies tend to enjoy high growth together with very high margins. That combined with our strong research has helped in generating this strong performance. Not only that, services has seen evolution of many newer companies which have built strong niches in new areas. Whether you take EdTech, other services like logistics, healthcare, in each of these domains we have seen emergence of newer companies, and we have been able to identify them and participate at the right time. We focus on three essential things. The first one is scalability. Can the business scale to much bigger levels than where it is today? Second, sustainability. Can the business continue to grow at much higher rates going forward? How good is the management quality? Can it continue to deliver? And lastly, the operating margins. Can the company maintain and improve their operating margins going forward? And all this has to be at the right price. Services theme is highly diversified. We play services through 15 subsectors ranging from financials and consumer discretionary to healthcare and IT, new age technology to logistics. Combining everything across the market cap curve makes it a very well diversified fund while avoiding the cyclicals. This is a great way to play the India growth story. India is on the cusp of services-led growth. Private consumption has structurally shifted post-pandemic towards services, and that we can attribute to our rising affluence, digitization and urbanization. Going forward, our strategy is to stay ahead of this shift by continuously identifying companies which will be taking advantage of this shift and investing in them at the right time. In short, the future of India is services-led, and this fund is positioned to capture the India services growth story. The services sector is a secular high growth thematic which could potentially compound for a long period of time. Sundaram Services Fund was the first to identify this opportunity and now has a track record of more than 7 years. We expect Sundaram Services Fund to continue to capture the India services growth story and deliver steady performance going ahead. Invest in India's growth engine with a fund that keeps pace. Invest in Sundaram Services Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.